Hi, I'm Michael from Case Elegance. Thank you so much for your interest in our carbon fiber humidor. We spent the last 3 to 4 years developing this humidor. I want to tell you a little bit about it. First, you'll notice the digital hygrometer as opposed to an analog hygrometer. That our digital hygrometer has a very accurate sensor and will neatly display the humidity right in the front for you there. Next, I want to talk about the seal here. And we spent a lot of time and energy on this seal. We've put embedded magnets in the lids here so that when you open this thing, you're really going to feel how tight that seal is. Next, we've custom designed hinges. And we went back and forth between embedded hinges and exterior. And what we found is that the exterior hinges perform better for keeping the humidity inside the box. So that's what we went with. Also an option just to note that you can monogram the clip here with initials. So check that out. When you open the box, what you're going to notice is an overwhelming smell of Spanish cedar. We use a ton of Spanish cedar inside this box, so check it out. Case Elegance is the only company to provide the hydro system with their humidors. This is something that we've invented to give you an accurate and low maintenance humidification system. I'm going to take just a minute here to walk you through seasoning your humidor with the hydro system. First thing you'll notice when you open the hydro system is the instruction manual. You're going to want to open it up, flip to the warranty section, go to caseelegance.com/warranty and register this code for your 1-year warranty on your humidor. In case there's any questions or problems, we can easily locate you. Next thing, you want to open the hydro tray, and you're going to want to use this lip here on the end and kind of pull on this side and then come over here, and then you can pull on this side and it'll open up right up. You take the hydro gel and you rip it open and then evenly distribute the gel inside the tray here. And you're going to want to take the humidor solution and you're going to open it up and you're going to want to remove the heat seal pack on here. Okay, close it back up, make sure the lid's nice and tight. Open it up. You're going to want to put about a half a bottle of humidor solution, maybe a little bit less here. Okay, be careful not to overfill it or over spray here and get your area messed up. So what will happen is you're adding this humidor solution is over the period of a few hours, you'll see these crystals really suck up this moisture. And that's why after 24 hours, you might want to open this back up and add it again because it's going to have sucked up the moisture. There you go. Okay, now we're going to put the lid back on here. So. And for the hydro stick, you're going to want to take the humidor solution and soak it. Really, really don't be afraid to get this too wet. And then any excess moisture, you're going to want to kind of flick off in your sink or something like that. And that's it. Take the hydro tray and stick it in the humidor here without spilling. Humidor solution, take the wooden tray and stick it on top. Drop the soaked hydro stick inside, close the lid. Wait about 24 to 48 hours. And if the humidity is above 65, you can go ahead and add your cigars in here. If not, you're going to want to take the hydro system back out, open the hydro tray and add humidor solution to both the hydro tray and re-soak the hydro stick for every 24 to 48 hours until the humidor is reading over 65% for an extended period of time. Now, once you add your cigars, you're going to have to watch the humidity in here because if your cigars are dry, what's going to happen is the cigars are going to soak up the moisture in the box. You're going to want to re-wet the hydro stick, re-add humidity to the hydro tray with the humidor solution if necessary. Also, of course, you're going to have to rotate your cigars weekly or bi-weekly because the humidification system's on the bottom. And so you don't want the same cigars on the bottom all the time. So rotating helps keep them fresh. In this box, you can store about 36 Toros with the hydro system and 42 Coronas with the hydro system. If you need more space than that, simply remove the hydro system and get more room inside the humidor to store more cigars. Thank you so much for your interest in our carbon fiber humidor. And if you have questions or comments, please email them to us at help@caseelegance.com.